by design, and I have a fun little unboxing video to share with you today. About a month ago, I was contacted by my new friend, Sylvia, at Laserowe Love. And she asked if they could send me some product samples to play with, and of course I said yes. So the boxes arrived late yesterday afternoon in the mail, and I just had to show you what came in them. You are going to be amazed. So let me just open this box. I had to pre-open the box, but I haven't really looked inside other than just a peek. It was taped really, really well. But look at these chipboards. Ho, ho, holy cow. I'm talking seriously beautiful. Look, this is like a little book cover. I mean, I love that they're all pre-primed. Look at the detail. And they sent me so many. I'm like so excited to create with these, and all different styles, all different sizes. I can't even believe how much is in here. Great background pieces. This is a new company to me. I'd never heard of them before. They're from Poland, and they are carried in the United States by the Frantic Stamper online, and I'll put that link below so that you can find them, because I'm sure if you love chipboard, look at this wedding one, wow. If you love chipboard, this is going to be something that you're very interested in. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. I haven't even looked at everything yet. Here's some words, beautiful words. Look at this gorgeous floral frame, wow. Wedding. This beautiful chipboard book with an opening in the cover. I'm going to have some fun. Gorgeous chipboard tags. Yeah, this is amazing stuff. So I just had to show you. This is just one of 2 boxes. I can't even get over it. Look at, I love these shabby chic chipboard tags. Wowzer. I cannot wait to play with these. This looks like, oh, it's an Easter egg, maybe. And look, it stands up in the stand. How cute is that? Or you could just use it as a shape. So that's box number 1. This is box number 2. I can't even believe it. They were so generous with me. Oh man, look at these tags. Oh my goodness. Look at the intricacy of this doily. Good gracious. Oh, this would be so fun. Look at the owl in the center. Foliage, hearts. I mean, like I said, it just goes on and on. I can't wait to dig into these. Look at that doily. Wow. These are, oh, these are seriously gorgeous, people. So Frantic Stamper online is where you can find them. The company's name is Laserowe Love, Laserowe, and then the word love. And I'll put links to everything so you can look at their online store. Oh, look how cute the kites. Oh, how adorable. Teddy bears, rocking horses. Oh, wow. An airplane that looks like it's actually 3D. Hot air balloons. Oh, really fun bicycle. Little baby shoes. Oh my goodness, this stuff is so sweet. Look at the antique car. That's awesome. Nice. Oh my word. That's too beautiful for words. And then this looks like a little chipboard house. Oh, how fun is that? Okay. So that, and then in the bottoms of the boxes, as if that wasn't enough, they included a bunch of their paper pads. These are all double-sided, and 6 sheets, and I'll just open this one up. This is a summer one. Look at the watermelon and the little banners. This is cute. I'm not at all familiar with this company. This is my first look, you guys. Oh, look how cute for summer. Really heavy. Like, this is heavy. I'm guessing this is maybe 85 pound. This is heavy cardstock. And beautiful vibrant colors. Oh, look at all the ice cream and watermelon and stuff. How fun. I could go for one of those cones. How about you? watermelon slices, popsicles, and ice cream, some great stripes. And then these tags, and oh, and I bet those laser tags that are in the thing, I bet they fit over these, so that's fun. So that's one, and we won't look at all of them, but this is called Watermelon Friends, which goes with the, what is this called again? Summer. Watermelon Summer. And look at the little tags on the packaging. That's cute. Little fussy cuts and stuff. That's awesome. So look at these cute girls. My 10-year-old Sophie would just adore these. I can see us having some fun together with this. Ooh, this one's really dramatic with the teal and the purple. Butterflies, wolves. Look at these gorgeous wreaths. Wowzers. Oh wow, this is right in my comfort zone. These shabby chic colors, beautiful vintage imagery. Oh, this one's really pretty with the peaches and the mints. This is Nautical Holidays. I love the beach, guys, so we gotta look at this one together. Are y'all, have y'all seen this paper before? Maybe in Europe you have. Here in the States, I haven't seen it. So this is kind of neat. It's always fun to discover a new paper company, a paper line. Like, I need more paper, but this stuff is beautiful. So there is their online address right there, and there's the name, Laserowe Love. Oh, these are just great nautical patterns. Great stripes, all the little boats. Ooh, I love this shabby chic dot. The stars. You could take this a lot of different places. Look at the cute little fish. That's adorable. Oh, this is really pretty. I could see this done in a lot of different ways. That's awesome. And then there's Vintage Baby Girl. Just all the little pinks and kind of browns. Coral Romance. This is beautiful with all these pinks and blues. Oh my goodness, look at these tags. Holy cow. Ooh. Look at this, navy. You know I love blue. Wow. This is so vibrant. That's going to be fun. Vintage Gentleman, all these great masculine images and papers. This looks great. Shabby Winter. Oh, how fun. Oh, these are so pretty, the pink and gray. And on the back, some little images, the ice skaters. Cute, cute, cute. And then this is Lavender Date. How pretty. It's like lavenders and greens. This is beautiful. Let's take a look. Yeah, I'm going to have to build an addition on my studio just to fit all of this in here. I love how they put these little strips in there. These are great with the little cut apart images. How fun is that? This is really soft and lovely. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the weight of this paper. It's really heavy. Look at this great wood with the flowers in the background. The bricks, this green. This is one of my favorite shades of green. Oh man, look at this sheet. With the lavender and then the roses over here. Wow. Oh, I'm going to have some fun, y'all. This looks like fun. And then Emma and Billy, just a really cute baby collection. So that's my haul. This was such a lovely gift. Thank you, Laserowe Love. I can't wait to dig in, and I'll be back to share projects that I make with all of this. Let me know if you've heard of this company and used the product. I'm really interested. Again, you can find it at Frantic Stamper, and this is Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design, getting ready to go get her craft on. Have a good one. Bye.